In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add color filters on your Shopify store. By the end, shoppers will be able to filter your products by colors like black, white, red, and more, making it much easier for them to find exactly what they want. First, we need to make sure your products actually use a color variant. From your Shopify admin, look at the left-hand panel and click on Products. Open one of your products and scroll down to the Variants section. Here, you want to confirm that there is an option with the name Color. The option name needs to be spelled exactly as color, with a capital C, because Shopify relies on that to recognize it correctly. Under this option, you should see values such as black, white, red, or whatever colors you offer. If you don't see a color option, you'll need to add it as a product option first and create individual variants for each color. Do this for all products that should be filterable by color so the filter has data to work with. Once your color variants are in place, it's time to add the actual color filter. In the left-hand panel of your admin, click on the Search and Discovery app. If you don't see it, make sure it's installed. Inside this app, click on Filters, then click Add Filter. Here, click Add Source and choose the category meta field for color. Set the filter label to color so it appears clearly to your customers. Next, you'll choose the logic. An OR condition will show products that match at least one selected color, while an AND condition will only show products that match all selected colors. For most stores, OR is more user-friendly. You can also choose whether the filter values are sorted automatically or manually, depending on how you want the color options to appear. The color values themselves will be pulled automatically from the variants you set up earlier. When you're happy with the settings, click Save. Now, we'll enable filters in your theme so they appear on the storefront. Again, in the left-hand panel, click Online Store, then on your current theme, click Edit. This opens the Online Store editor. At the top, open the navigation dropdown, select Collections, and then choose your default collection template. Once you're on the collection page, click on the Product Grid section. In the left-hand settings panel, scroll down until you find Filtering and Sorting. Turn on both filters and sorting. You can also choose your filter layout here, such as horizontal, vertical, or drawer layout, depending on how you want the filters to appear on the page. When everything looks good, click Save. Now, visit your online store and go to a collection or catalog page. You should see your new color filter available, letting shoppers quickly refine products by their preferred colors.